Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of programming. Today, we have an exciting topic on the agenda, object-oriented programming, or OOP for short. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is object-oriented programming? Well, fear not. We're here to break it down for you in a friendly and easy to understand manner. To put it simply, object-oriented programming is a way of organizing and structuring code so that it's more modular and reusable. It focuses on creating objects, which are like building blocks that hold both data and the operations you can perform on that data. Think of objects as real-world things, like cars, animals, or even a slice of pizza. Let's take a closer look at how this works. In object-oriented programming, we define classes, which serve as blueprints for creating objects. Classes contain attributes, which are like characteristics or properties, and methods, which are the actions or behaviors that objects can perform. For example, if we're creating a car object, the attributes might include things like its color, model, and speed. Meanwhile, the methods could be starting the engine, accelerating, or braking. By encapsulating both the data and the operations within an object, we achieve what we call encapsulation. Now, one of the great benefits of object-oriented programming is reusability. Once we define a class, we can create multiple objects of that class, each with its own unique data. It's like having a blueprint for building different cars. We can create a sports car, a sedan, or even a monster truck, all using the same blueprint. But wait, there's more. Object-oriented programming also allows for something called inheritance. Imagine you have a base class, let's say vehicle, which defines some common attributes. Another fascinating aspect of OOP is polymorphism. This fancy word simply means that objects can take on different forms or behave differently depending on the context. For example, let's say we have a drive method in our vehicle class. When called on a car object, it would make the car drive. But when called on a motorcycle object, it would make the motorcycle ride instead. This flexibility is what makes programming so powerful. And there you have it, folks. A friendly introduction to object-oriented programming. We've only scratched the surface of this vast topic, but I hope this video gave you a solid understanding of what OOP is all about. So, go out there, dive deeper, and explore the world of object-oriented programming. Trust me, it's a journey you won't regret. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more awesome programming content, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy coding!